Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, February 16. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has committed her government to fast-tracking land and home ownership in 2015. Mrs. Simpson Miller was speaking in Helsher, St. Catherine last Friday, where 60 homeowners were given keys and possession letters to their brand new homes in the Sandhills Vista housing development.
We will continue to distribute many more titles which are now at various stages of being processed by the ministry. I have given instructions for this to be fast-tracked in 2015 so that more property owners can get legal proof of ownership. That is what I mean by developing an ownership society in Jamaica.
The $1.8 billion Sandhills Vista development has 132 bedroom units, 53 bedroom units, and 46 serviced lots. At the handing over ceremony, Acting Managing Director of the NHT, Donald Moore, said in the coming financial year another 6,000 contributors would get loans directly from the trust to buy land or houses or to repair their homes. This is in addition to those contributors who will gain access to their NHT loans through its private sector partners. With the 2015-2016 expenditures and revenues expected to be tabled in Parliament on Thursday, the Finance Minister has affirmed that government will be sticking to its economic reform plans.
Despite where we are in the normal political stroke electoral cycle, we will not depart from our obligations with respect to the economic reform program and the agreement regarding the extended fund facility with the International Monetary Fund.
Dr. Phillips adds that government will maintain the 7.5% primary surplus, the debt reduction strategies and other measures to grow the economy while protecting the most vulnerable. In the meantime, financial analyst Dennis Chung says there are positive expectations for the economy in the next fiscal year.
I think the year that we're going through now is really a period of adjustment. A lot of investments have been made, which I think are going to start paying off. And therefore, I think that you're going to start seeing some greater expenditure on behalf of consumers because unemployment is going down.
The Statistical Institute of Jamaica indicated recently that the unemployment rate for October 2014 was 14.2%, 0.5% lower than the corresponding period in 2013. Government has suspended the search facility of the National Collateral Registry until further notice. All other aspects of the registry will remain operational. That instruction came from Industry Minister Anthony Hilton following concerns raised in the media over public disclosure of personal information on the credit registry. The registry is maintained by the Companies Office of Jamaica but is operated by the banks. Minister Hilton points out that the information posted about borrowers and their loans is not uploaded by the government, but rather by the banks or other financial institutions. The suspension of the registry is to facilitate further consultations with relevant stakeholders, after which a decision will be made to safeguard information. The Ministry of Labour and Social Security is undertaking a number of projects to promote safety and protect workers from discrimination. Director of Occupational Safety and Health in the ministry, Robert Chung, says the ministry hopes to roll out the programs in the public sector soon.
We also have programs that we are now implementing in the private sector side of it. So this program has a twofold portfolio that we are working on simultaneously.
Mr. Chung was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. He said the Safe Worker program had 7 components that were designed to prevent accidents in the workplace and address stigma and discrimination against persons with HIV/AIDS and other illnesses. And finally, members of the public can now enjoy unique aspects of Jamaica's rich intangible cultural heritage, which have been documented by the African Caribbean Institute of Jamaica (ACIJ) and the Jamaica Memory Bank (JMB). An exhibition of the works was recently launched by Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna.
If we don't register it and formalize it, a lot of what is happening in terms of globalization, 20 years from now, you might not have anything that reminds a young person about what it is.
The exhibition may be viewed at the ACIJ JMB Library in downtown Kingston. It's open to the public from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Mondays to Thursdays and from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. on Fridays. The ACIJJMB is a division of the Institute of Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamar McHale. Thank you for watching.